Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is trigonometry. Subtopic is multiple and submultiple angles. Now here all are discussed about now level 3 problems. Now here first one, if 0 less than x less than pi, now cos x plus sin x is equal to 1 by 2, then tan x is equal to. Now tan x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 minus tan square x by 2. Okay, now here cos x plus sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Cos x in terms of tan, now here 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus now sin x 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Let tan x by 2 is equal to t. Tan x by 2 is equal to t. Now 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus 2t by 1 plus t square is equal to 1 by 2. Now here 1 plus t square LCM is now 1 plus t square. Now 1 minus t square plus 2t is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now by cross multiplication 2 minus 2t square plus 4t is equal to 1 plus t square. Now 3t square minus 4t minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here t is equal to minus b, means 4 plus or minus, and here also t is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 plus now 12 by 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Now here t is equal to now t is equal to 2 plus or minus root 7 by 3. Now here 0 less than x less than pi. Now 0 less than x by 2 less than pi by 2. Now x by 2 belongs to 0 and pi by 2 in first quadrant. First quadrant, now here tan x by 2 greater than 0. Now tan x by 2 is equal to 2 plus root 7 by 3. Now since tan x by 2 greater than 0, now since tan x by 2 greater than 0, now tan x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 minus tan square x by 2. Now tan x by 2 value 2 plus root 7 by 3. Now tan x is equal to now 2 into 2 plus root 7 by 3 by 1 minus 2 plus root 7 by 3 whole square. Now it is equal to 2 into 2 plus root 7 by 3. Now 2 into 2 plus root 7 by 3. Now into here this value is 9 by minus 2 into now 1 plus 2 root 7. 1 plus 2 root 7. Okay, now here 2 cancel, and here also 2 cancel. Now minus 3 into minus 3 into 2 plus root 7 by 1 plus 2 root 7. Now rationalize 1 minus 2 root 7 by 1 minus 2 root 7. Okay, after simplification, now this value minus of 4 plus root 7 by 3. Therefore, option 2 is the correct one. Next one, cos theta 1 is equal to 2 cos theta 2, then tan theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2 into tan theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. Now here cos theta 1 is equal to 2 cos theta 2. Now cos theta 1 by cos theta 2 is equal to 2. Now equation 1. Now tan theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2, sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. Now here sin theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2 by cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2 into now sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 by cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. Now here multiply dividing with 2 by 2. Now here 2 sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 sin theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2 by 2 cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. Okay, now here 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus d by 2 cos c minus cos d cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1 by 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 cos c plus cos d cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2. Now here numerator and denominator dividing with cos theta 2, cos theta by 2 cos theta 1 minus cos theta 1 by cos theta 2 by cos theta 1 by cos theta 2 plus 1. Now from equation 1 cos theta 1 by cos theta 2 value is 2, 1 minus 2 by 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Therefore, option 2 is the correct one. Next one, if let x is equal to sin 1 degree, then the value of the expression 1 by cos 0 degree into cos 1, 1 by cos 1 degree into cos 2, plus 1 by cos 2 into cos 3 degrees up to so on, plus 1 by cos 44 degrees into cos 45. Now here given expression, total expression multiply and dividing with sin 1 degree. Now 1 by sin 1 degree into, now sin 1 degree by cos 0 into cos 1 plus sin 1 degree by cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree plus sin 1 degree by cos 2 into cos 3 degrees plus up to so on plus sin 1 degree by cos 44 degrees into cos 45 degrees. Okay, now here 1 by sin 1 degree into, now sin 1 degree can be right 1 degree minus 0 degree, here 2 degree minus 1 degree, 3 degree minus 2 degree up to so on 45 degrees minus 44 degrees. Now sin 1 degree minus 0 degree by cos 0 degree into cos 1 degree. Now plus, now sin 2 minus 1 degree. Now here sin 2 degree minus 1 degree by cos 1 degree into cos 2 degrees plus up to so on. Last one, sine 45 degree minus 44 degrees by cos 44 degrees into cos 45 degrees. Now here sin A minus B. Sin A minus B means sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. And here also sin A minus B. Sin A minus B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Now sin 2 cos 1, sin 2 cos 1 minus cos 2 sin 1 by cos 1 degree cos 2 degree. Cos 1 cos, now cos 2 cos 1 by cos 1 cos 2 degree sin A minus B. Now sin 2 degree cos 1 degree minus cos 2 degree sin 1 degree. Now cos 1 cancel, sin 2 by cos 2, tan 2. Tan 2 degrees minus tan 1 degree. Okay. Now here tan 2 minus tan 1 means now here tan 1 minus tan 0. Okay, tan 0 0. Now here tan 45 minus tan 44. Tan 45 minus tan 44. Now here 1 by sin 1 degree into sin 1 degree into now tan 1 degree plus tan 2 degree minus tan 1 degree plus tan 3 minus tan 2 degrees plus up to so on tan 45 degrees minus tan 44 degrees. Now here minus plus and here also plus and minus. Now next after a tan plus tan 3 minus tan 3 minus tan 44 before value plus tan 44 degrees. All are cancelled. Only here tan 45 value is there. Tan 45 value is 1. Now 1 by sin 1 degree into 1 is equal to 1 by sin 1 degree. Now sin 1 degree value is x. Now 1 by x. Therefore final value of this expansion now 1 by x, option 2 is the correct one.